Welcome to the part 2. Let's install NX Filter on our operating system. I'm using DirectPi OS. To install the NX Filter, open the terminal and ping to the Raspberry Pi. Connection is successful. Now SSH to that machine using the command ssh-l root and IP address. Once you log in, it will take some time to upgrade and update the OS. Select the options as shown here on the screen. Now go to install and hit OK. Once it is done, fire the command sudo install default JDK. Now go to browser, then search and go to NX Filter website. Click download. Here you will get installers for operating system of your choice. I'm using Debian based OS, hence downloading that package. Now right click the Debian file and click copy link address. Go to terminal of Raspberry Pi and type in wget and paste the link. Then fire the command sudo dpkg-l NX Filter and its version number. Then fire the command sudo systemctl enable NX Filter. Then sudo systemctl start NX Filter. And finally fire the command tel-f/nxfilter/log/nxfilter.log. It will take some time to update the database of NX Filter. Once it is completed, open the browser and type in IP of your Raspberry Pi/admin. Default user ID and password is admin. Now click on configure and check enable authentication. Then click on DNS setup. Set the DNS servers of your choice. Then go to policy. Type in policy name of your choice. Set the description for this policy. And template as default. Now click on the policy to edit. On this page, we can configure all the restrictions. Click on strict button to restrict the search keywords. Here we have blocked and quoted categories. Blocked categories of websites won't be available anytime to the users of this policy. And quoted categories will have a time limit. Let me block few of the categories. set some restriction on entertainment category. Here this quota option helps us to set the limit on the quoted categories. Here the limit is set to 2 hours. Meaning is that all the websites under the entertainment category will be accessible for maximum of 2 hours per day. Click submit on all the sections. And go to the user and then user. Here we can create a user such as kids or adults. Let me create a kid user. Click on edit and set the policy as social block for this user called kids. Also set the IP address of your kids' devices below in the add IP section. Here either you can enter the single IP address or range of the IP addresses. Click on the test button to check available or consumed time of quoted categories. Here you could see that 120 minutes were allocated to this entertainment category, out of which 0 minutes are consumed. You can check the category of any website. Go to the category and click domain test. Here enter youtube.com. And we get entertainment category. It means that youtube.com comes under the entertainment category. Now check for another website called primevideo.com. It also belongs to the entertainment category. If you want to skip any website from blocking, then you can add that to the whitelist. Go to the whitelist and enter your domain name. Once you enter your website here, it won't be blocked by the NX filter. Now go to the dashboard to check the reports about the blocking and usage. You can also block your own list of websites through the block list. Go to the classifier and click block list. Enter URL and select any one of the category. That's it for this video. Please share and like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.